In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Wix website as a PDF in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful if you want to share a non-editable version of your site with clients or collaborators, or simply archive a page for your records. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the live page of your Wix site that you want to save. Make sure you're looking at the exact page you want to download as a PDF. If your website has a navigation menu or any interactive elements, ensure you're on the page you intend to save, as the entire content visible on your screen will be included in the PDF file. Once you have the correct page open, the next step involves opening your browser's print dialog box. This can be done easily using a keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll press Ctrl and P at the same time. For Mac users, it's Command and P. This step is key as it brings up the options through which we can change how this web page will be saved and presented in PDF format. Now, with the print dialog box open, you'll need to adjust a couple of settings. Look for an option that says something like Destination or Printer. From here, you're going to change the destination to Save as PDF. This function effectively tells your computer to create a PDF file rather than sending the document to a physical printer. It's a crucial step